gon' try and speed for it. Me, I take my time, I grind hard and reach for it. I'm straight. 16, we was drinking from the case. Young boys follow old big bro and what they say. Always got a time limit, knowing what you gotta take. Pass out, wake up, and then you clean up your mistakes. Wait, I'm fucking up, cause I graduated late. But man, I learned from it and I finally moved away from the deep down feeling, failed the fan, but I'm okay, cause I'm still working on my own life till today.
Think about it, all of the hate and all the lies and throw it away, don't waste your time. It's not worth to keep working, they hate but you learn and you got it. All of the hate and all the lies, and throw it away, don't waste your time.
Don't waste your time, man.
Not worth to keep working, they hate but you learn and you got it.
Stay real to myself, man, that's all I know. Every time I'm in your city, know I'm doing shows. I used to dream about it, now I'm on the road. I ain't turning down for nothing, ready, set, go. Stay clean till the day I finally drop. If a hater don't know, well you can tell the haters watch. I've been on my own shit, I don't think I'm about to stop, cause I'm grinding so hard, you gon' see me at the top. Watch, a young stunner on my way to calling shots. And if they try to shoot it, well somebody getting blocked. I'm an all-around player, man, I'm making many shots. And if I need to assist, my team is what I